Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily connect the AirPlay to the HISENSE TV. So first, make sure that you are in the same network as the TV. Now go over to connection and select AirPlay and HomeKit. Now, as you guys can see, we can also require the code or use the password. So let me do it first time only. Now we need to grab our phone, and here, as you guys can see, we will have this little AirPlay button. So let's click it. And here, after we click the button, we will be able to connect to our TV. So now let's click on the TV and enter the AirPlay code. So it's 7222. Now let's click OK, and now we are connected with our iPhone. So now what we can do is we can play some music. As you guys can see, it works perfectly fine. Also, if we want to use YouTube, we can. As you guys can see here, we have the video. Let's just play it, and now it says connected to AirPlay. Now it should be working anytime soon, as you guys can see. Here we will have it. Now it has to load. And it works pretty fine. So as you guys can see, the AirPlay works. We successfully connected, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.